see another wind damage. And look. Vandalism. This is a legitimate wind damage. This is the result of poor quality shingles. This shingles holds 49 miles of wind. Look. Okay. So where's the vandalism? Nationwide is a great company, but we come across with adjusters that they looking to just deny and use their professional knowledge to mislead policyholders and contractors. But in reality, that it is insurance fraud. Yeah, you see? It's legitimate wind damage. And to me, it is insurance fraud by the adjusters who know that this is a legitimate wind damage that they want to mislead policyholder and contractor in order to diminish or not to pay. That's the whole issue.